Hello everyone. Today we will see the topic related to pricing decision of marginal costing. Fixation of selling price is one of the most important functions of management. Although the prices are determined by market conditions such as demand and supply factors and other economic factors, at marginal costing technique assist in fixation of selling price for the managers. We will see one model sum on pricing decisions now. Here it is the sum. A company estimates variable cost to be rupees 30 per unit and fixed cost to be rupees 3 lakh per year. Plant capacity is set at 20,000 units per year. It is estimated that 10,000 units can be sold at a price rupees 100 each, at which the price would the sales of 10,000 units yield the same amount of profit that the company has been realizing on the sale of 10,000 units at the rate of 100 each. So which means that you are supposed to define the selling price by selling price at which the company would generate the same amount of profit of the earlier sales. Those are like 10,000 units of rupees 100 each. We will see the solution now. Using marginal costing technique, we are supposed to fix the selling price for the selling of 20,000 units, which would generate the same amount of profit on the sale of 10,000 units. So therefore, we have to calculate the present profit while selling the 10,000 units. So for which we need to prepare one statement. Here it is that the statement of profit when units sold are 10,000, for which we need to maintain two columns, particulars and amount in rupees. Marginal costing equation starts with sales. So at this present condition, 10,000 sales at the rate of rupees 100 each. Total sales will become 10 lakhs minus variable cost 10,000 units at the rate of 30 each. As the variable cost given in the sum is rupees 30 per unit, we should take 30 here, 10,000 into 30 rupees. So we will get 3 lakhs. Sales minus variable cost, we will get 10 lakhs minus 3 lakhs, we will get 7 lakhs. So which is known as contribution. And from this we need to deduct fixed cost, which is given in the sum rupees 3 lakhs per year. Rupees 3 lakhs. Contribution minus fixed cost, we will get the profit. So 7 lakhs minus 3 lakhs, we will get the profit of rupees 4 lakhs. So your future sales need to generate an amount of profit of rupees 4 lakhs. Now we need to calculate the selling price when number of units are 20,000 and when we are supposed to earn a profit of rupees 4 lakhs. So the sales which we are going to realize from the selling of these 20,000 units would need to recover fixed cost first, along with this, it should also earn a profit. So the target is going to be, the fixed cost is 3 lakhs plus estimated profit to be earned from the selling of 20,000 units is 4 lakhs. So 7 lakhs. So this has to be the contribution from which we want to generate from the selling of 20,000 units. Now we will calculate contribution per unit. We need to get a contribution of 7 lakhs divided by, as we will be proposed to sell 20,000 units, so this will become 35 rupees. Now we have to fix the selling price. Selling price is equal to variable cost per unit and contribution per unit. Variable cost will be the same, that is rupees 30 per unit, and our future contribution is going to be rupees 35, at which we can generate a profit of rupees 4 lakhs. So your selling price is going to be 30 plus 35, which will become 65. So this is how we can fix the selling price using marginal costing technique.